It is 2026, and your number one foundational AI upgrade is your voice. Hello and welcome to Not Replaced Yet. My name is Nick Bushkar. I am one half of Not Replaced Yet. I'm usually here with my brother, but he's off doing real work, and I'm here with you fine people. Today we are talking about your voice, or more specifically, the new class of AI apps that exist out there to help you talk to your devices. Let's dig into it. I'm going to share my screen out here, and we're going to look at the apps that are available. All right, I have a few tabs open here, and the first thing that we are looking at is WisprFlow. This is the one that I personally use. I'm a big fan. It's available on Mac, Windows, and iPhone. Another major player is Superwhisper. And forever, they've only been on Mac, but they've recently launched their Windows app. And one that I am less familiar with, but I have heard a few good things about, is Willow Voice. Each one of them makes the claim, says, write, 5 times faster with your voice. I think WisprFlow says something like 4 times faster, right, than typing, something like that. I don't know if I've found personally that it goes that much quicker, but it's definitely faster. And then just to give you a sense, especially for you nerds out there, there are many open source versions. You can use Handy is the biggest one. It has over 10,000 stars on GitHub. You have Dilate. You have WisprFlow, spelled slightly differently. You have Fluid Audio. And I just want to let you know, in case you are so inclined, a difference here actually that's important to talk about is the closed source versions do cost something. There's a monthly charge. I want to say that WisprFlow is, $12 a month. It's not too bad. They have their enterprise version. Superwhisper is, I want to say $8, $9, $10. Yeah, $8.50 I think for the Pro here. And so now I'll pull over the WisprFlow app and just walk through it a little bit. This is nice because you have your history where everything you say, it gets recorded and transcribed here. You can copy it. You can send feedback on it. You have more options. You can retry the transcript. Sometimes there is a mistake and it doesn't actually transcribe it for you, but it has the audio, and then you can retry it and it will transcribe it. You can download it, delete it. You have the ability to add custom words to your dictionary to make sure things are spelled correctly. You can create style so it sounds like you, and you have your stats up here. We'll take a look at this. I have a 44-week streak. I like that. 121 words per minute. This is what I mean. I don't know if this is 4x faster for me, but it's definitely faster than I type. And I do want to say that this is not just straight dictation. It actually passes it through a very quick AI filter. And I'll show you what I mean. I'm pulling over a notepad here, and I just hit the hotkey on my computer, which I use Control Windows, and it cleans up your speech. So let's try this out. I want you to write an email for me that will go out to everyone in my contacts. And you see, it cleaned that up for me. It was very fast, and there are no ums, no ahs, anything like that. So that's super helpful. And now I will pull in Claude Code because this is where I use it so often. And you just place your cursor anywhere you want your text to appear. I need you to investigate story 4.8, create a new markdown file in my docs directory that explains how we integrated our time range selector. Elaborate on how it interacts with any of the new cards that we created for different platforms, especially go deep on the Instagram card, and give me an overview of the backend API endpoints. And there we go. It shows up. I hit enter and Claude Code starts running. And there you have it. You can see it's very simple, very straightforward, and it may not seem like a big deal, but I have found it to be a massive upgrade. I talk to my computer 90% of the time now, and it has legitimately made me more productive. All right, now go download one of these apps. You can find the links in the description. They're not affiliate links. I really think you're gonna like this. Talking to your computer to get stuff done feels like you're in the future. It's fun. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Jesse will be back soon, and we have a lot to say about AI in 2026. Please like, comment, subscribe, and follow along, and we'll see you soon.